Instead of a regular 360, today we have a frosted 360. There's some mud in the Wi-Fi. What the hell do you mean by that? I don't know. There he goes. Oh, there he is. Like a little booger up there. Got a plane coming in, but he's at 7,000 feet, so I'm not sweating it. Continuing on, if we're unstuck yet, Wi-Fi communication is not at its best. Right when the sun's just blaring into our eyes. Okay, there. Goodbye, son. Bye, Dad. Going backwards. What a crock. God, this video is getting so edited. Hey, unfreeze. Lens angle. Oh, wow. I can control that from here. I can control the lens angle from up here. I did not know that. Actually, it's faster with the controller, I think. Shit. It's frozen. And